Alright, I'm here at Splash, just outside Unit 204 West. When I walk in, they're just cleaning it right now, but this is a 1-bedroom plus bunk room style. So there's your bunk area right there. Bedroom has the flooring that has been upgraded. Nice furniture. Into the master bathroom. And I had to just catch this in between the cleaning, so it is what it is. TV mounted on the wall. Bunk beds, and then it has the second full bath right here. Kitchen right here, and I apologize, it's just being cleaned, is what it is. Into the laundry room. Big washer and dryer. Furniture here. Here's your view. Awesome views down to the umbrellas, out to the beach. I'll go out there in just 1 second. And again, I apologize for the speed and the quick video, but I had to catch it just in between the turn, and as the cleaners are finishing cleaning. All right, I'm in the West Tower, which underneath me is all the kids' play areas, but that's 204 West, looking east. Looking straight out at the Gulf and looking out to the west. All right, so that's Splash, Unit 204 West.